Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and please press the bell icon.
Okay, students, good afternoon once again. In the last video, we have learnt how to find out the principal when amount is given, rate is given, time is given, or compound interest is given and rate and time is given. Today we'll learn how to find out the rate and time when either amount and principal both are given and either rate is given or time is given. Okay, so first let's discuss how to find out rate. पहले हम करेंगे how to find rate. We'll directly take an example. At what rate % per annum will a sum of rupees 4,000 become or will give a compound interest of rupees 410 in 2 years. So in this question, sum of rupees 4,000, that means principal P is given as rupees 4,000. Compound interest is rupees 410. So therefore first let's find out the amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. P plus I, that is rupees 4,000 plus rupees 410. Rupees 4410. This is the amount. Now for the time is already given. Time that we represented by n. It is given as 2 years. We have to find out the rate. Now we know that it is when it is not mentioned anywhere in the question, it is compounded annually always. So we have the formula A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n. Amount 4410, principal 4,000, 1 plus R we have to find upon 100 raised to the power 2. Now let's transpose this 4,000 to this side. So we get 4410 upon 4,000 equal to 1 plus R upon 100 whole square. So here 0 0 cancel. Now you see here it is power 2. तो बच्चों यहां भी हमको पावर 2 के फॉर्म में ही लिखना है, स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में ही लिखना है, दोनों तरफ पावर सेम आना चाहिए. तो 441 ये है आपका 21 का स्क्वायर और 400 आपका 20 का स्क्वायर. सो इट इज 21 अपॉन 20 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस R by 100 whole square. Now we see when the power is same, so base should also be same. Power is same, therefore base is also equal. In place of same we can write the word equal. Power is equal, therefore base is also equal. So here we get 1 plus r upon 100 equal to 21 upon 20. अब बच्चों 1 को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर ले, वेरी सिंपल ना. 1 को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर लीजिए, +1 है, -1 हो जाएगा. So this becomes r upon 100 equal to 21 upon 20 minus 1 upon 1. अब बच्चों यहां पर एलसीएम ले लीजिए, तो वी गेट 21 minus 20 upon 20. So here we get r upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 20. Therefore r is equal to 1 upon 20 into 100%. That is 21s are 25s are. Therefore your answer is rate r is equal to 5% per annum compounded annually. This way, very simple question, you can easily find out the rate of interest per annum. Okay students, one more question based on same, find rate. Principal P is equal to rupees 6,000. Amount A is equal to rupees 6945.75. Time N is equal to 3 years. We have to find out the rate. Rate we need to find. The formula is A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n. Therefore, amount 6945.75. Principal 6,000. 1 plus R upon 100 power 3. $6945.75 upon 6,000. 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power 3. Let's remove the decimal. Put 2 zeros here. Now we'll cancel it. कैंसिलेशन करना है बच्चों. 25 से काट दें सीधा. 25 2s are 50. 10 बच गया. 100 हो जाएगा. 25 4s are 100 और उसके बाद हो गया 3 0. यहां भी हम 25 से कैंसिल करेंगे. 25 2s are 50. बच गया 19 हो जाएगा 194. 25 7s are 175. Again 19 is left. So this will become 195. 25 7 ज़ा 175. अब यहाँ बचेगा 20, हो गया 207. 25 8 ज़ा 200, बचा 7 75. So 25 3 ज़ा 75. 27783 अपॉन 24,000. अब इसको बच्चों 3 से कैंसिल करते हैं. 3 8,000 टाइम्स 3 9 2 6 1. अब बच्चों यहां पे देखिए पावर 3 है, तो आपको यहां पे 9261 अपॉन 8,000, इसको आपको पावर 3 के फॉर्म में ही लिखना है, क्यूब के फॉर्म में लिखना है. तो देखिए डिनोमिनेटर इजी है, फिर हम न्यूमरेटर को चेक कर लेंगे. तो यहां पे देखिए आप क्यूब रूट फाइंड करने का शॉर्टकट मेथड हमने सीखा था, वो भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. देखिए 8 का क्यूब रूट होता है 2 और 3 जीरोस है, सो देयरफॉर इन द डिनोमिनेटर विल हैव 20. अब देखिए यहां पे 9261, तो यहां पे हमने एस्टिमेशन मेथड का यूज कर सकते हैं बच्चों. 9261 ones digit is 1, therefore ones digit of the cube root will also be 1. अब यहां पे देखना है कि कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जिसका क्यूब 9 से छोटा है. सो दैट इज 2. सो हियर विल हैव 2 1 21. तो यहां एस्टिमेशन मेथड हमने यूज की, 21 अपॉन 20 आ गया होल क्यूब. आप मल्टीप्लाई करके भी चेक कर सकते हैं, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से भी कर सकते हैं बच्चों. इक्वल टू 1 प्लस r upon 100 whole cube. Again the powers are same, so we can equate the bases. Power same है तो base equal कर सकते हैं हम. So this will become 1 plus r upon 100 equal to 21 upon 20. Therefore r upon 100 equal to 21 upon 20 minus 1, or r upon 100 equal to 1 upon 20. That means r is equal to 5% per annum compounded annually. That is the rate percent. So basically here it needs some calculation. Okay. Okay students, next is to find time now. We have to find out time. And how much time will rupees 6,000 8,000, not 6,000, 8,000 amount to rupees 9261 at 10% per annum compounded half yearly. At 10% per annum compounded half yearly. Now remember, this is important here. Compounded half yearly. See, this is your principal, rupees 8,000. This is the amount and this is the rate per annum. Time n we have to find. Let's see the solution here. The formula when it is compounded half yearly. A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 200 power 2n. Let's put the known values. 9261, 8000, 1 plus 10 upon 200 power 2n. Now this 8000 will be transposed to this side. It becomes 9261 upon 8000 equal to, here 0 0 cancel, 1 plus 1 upon 20, it becomes 21 upon 20 whole raised to the power 2n. अब बच्चों अभी अपन ने पिछले क्वेश्चन में भी देखा था 9261 upon 8000. 9261 is 21 into 21 into 21 upon 20 into 20 into 20. It is equal to 21 upon 20 raised to the power 2n. अब बच्चों इसको अपन लिख सकते हैं 21 upon 20 का होल क्यूब, और इधर हमारे पास है 21 upon 20 whole power 2n. Now you see these are the same base, same power. सेम पावर मतलब इनको इक्वेट कर सकते हैं बच्चों. दैट मीन्स 2n is equal to 3 or n is equal to 3 upon 2, that is 1 by 2 years, or you can also write it as 1 year 6 months. This is the time. So students, again we have to do the calculations here only. Rest of the part is exactly the same. Similar part hai. We'll be doing one more question. So students, next question is again you have to find time. In how much time will rupees 1000 amount to rupees 1331 at 10% per annum compounded annually? 10% per annum compounded annually. So here we have amount 1331, principal 1000, 1 plus R upon 100 power n. A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n because it is compounded annually. So 1331 is equal to 1000 into 1 plus R upon 100. Rate is 10%. So 10 upon 100 power n. Let's simplify and see. 0 0. 1331 upon 1000 equal to 10 plus 1 11 upon 10 raised to the power n. तो बच्चों 1000 is 10 into 10 into 10 मतलब 10 का क्यूब है. दोनों न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को आपको सेम पावर के फॉर्म में लिखना है बच्चों. और 1331 this is actually 11 into 11 into 11, और जो 1000 है that is 10 into 10 into 10. So this will become 11 upon 10 whole cube is equal to 11 upon 10 whole raised to the power n. Now again the bases are same base, सेम पावर, तो इक्वेट कर दीजिए बच्चों. You will get n is equal to 3 years. This way we can find out the time when amount, principal and rate is given to you. Okay? Okay students, so just solve these questions. The first question, at what rate percent per annum will a sum of rupees 1000 amount to rupees 1102.50 in 2 years? The answer 5% per annum. Second question, in how much time will rupees 40,000 produce rupees 8620.25 as interest at 5% per annum? The answer is 4 years. CI on rupees 1800 at the rate of 10% per annum is rupees 378. Find time in years. Answer is 2 years. At what rate percent per annum will rupees 60,000 amount to rupees 79860 in 3 years? The answer is 10% per annum. So students, just solve these questions. Thank you and have a nice day.